Hi guys, it's Jordan Byers, and today today we're gonna be doing a full face of makeup using only meme hands. So let's get straight into it. I don't know what type of accent that was. It was like a humble jumble of like 6. But let's just start. Let's start. So let's start with some primer. I'm just gonna like do this. Okay. It's clear. We're just gonna like do this. All right. By the way, I did wash. I like sanitized these meme hands before like spreading all this stuff all over my face. So don't worry. That was the easiest part of this whole makeup process, was putting on a clear primer. So that was a success. That was a success. But now let's get into foundation. I'm just gonna like pop this right on here, and we're gonna like just do this. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's like I'm rubbing in moisturizer, except this is foundation. So ooh, this is not good. I mean, she patchy, but at least she's on, if you know what I mean. So then, we're gonna try to put a little bit of contouring on. So this is just like this is a concealer, but I'm gonna tap it on just the middle finger right here. I'm putting it on the middle finger of my meme hand, and we're gonna do this, okay? Because she wanna be snatched. She wanna be snatched, okay? I wanna be snatched. So So I didn't watch anybody else's videos on this. I know that other people have done this before. I know I'm not original, okay? I know I'm not original, okay? I do. But I wanted to make sure, oh, I just spit. I wanted to make sure that I didn't watch anybody else's videos, because I wanted to make sure I literally just stayed with all of my own kind of thought process with this. So I don't know if there's like specific rules that you're supposed to do or whatever, but I'm not gonna use any brushes. I'm literally just going to be using the meme hands as if they are my utensils for the day. And that's about that. So obviously I know this is not gonna turn out cute, but like, it's a fun experiment, okay? I'm just gonna like, we're just gonna do a little bit of this. A little bit of nose contouring. Oh, oops. Oopsies. Oopsie. Oopsie doopsie. That's okay, my nose is really bumpy anyway. Okay. Well, it's not too bad. So now what we're gonna be doing is, obviously we need to set it, like, what? We gotta set it. We have to set it. If I want it, oh my gosh, I have finals today. It's 10:43 in the morning right now. I have finals at 1 o'clock. Like, shoot, I need this to be set. She needs to be set. So, taking some powder, and I'm just gonna dip my hand in there. And we're just gonna kind of like blend this in, because she needs to be set. I don't want my face going anywhere. I'm gonna be stressed at taking my finals, so I need to make sure I still look cute. Let's bring you in. Let's bring you in so we can thoroughly enjoy this experience together, up close and personal. I don't know what's next. I am cringing about what's next. Let's put on some blush. So here we go. I'm gonna use like the palm here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So cute. So cute. I mean, shoot, catch me up taking finals. Girls be looking at me left and right, and they be like, girl, what is that highlighter? And I'm like, you're gonna have to watch my videos. She's trying to speak to me. She's trying to tell me, girl, you're gonna ace your finals. Like, you're gonna be just fine. Girl, you're gonna be alright. You're gonna ace your finals. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you're gonna ace your finals. You're gonna be just fine. So of course we need eyebrows because actually, like, I already have eyebrows. Like, I already have big ol' eyebrows, so I'm just gonna like brush them a little bit because I already have pretty out there brows. But you know what we do need is eyeshadow. So today I'm gonna be using this palette called Atlantis, and ooh, she bold. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take my meme hand, and we're gonna start out by going in with this beautiful like baby blue shade called Abyss. Abyss? We're just gonna like place this in. Ooh. Okay, maybe we need to go something bolder. We're going with a navy blue now. We're going in with navy blue. Oh my gosh. I haven't used this palette yet. I literally just got it yesterday. So we're working. Oh my gosh, girl. We're going for some blue smoky vibes here. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I look like the cutest girl in the room because I'm the only girl in the room. Hello. Were you expecting me? No, you weren't. Oh, hold on. Come on. No, no, no. She wasn't ready. I'm not too mad right now. I'm not too mad. Now I'm gonna take this beautiful white caps shade, and we're just gonna plop this on the pinky here. Ooh, I dug in there. Oops, hold on. I didn't mean to ruin you. And we're just gonna put this on the brow bone. All right. Just like so. We need to blind everybody. So I'm thinking I wanna be a little bit more extra, as if I'm not already extra. I'm gonna take some of this aqua color, this like teal shade. It's shimmery, of course, and just pop this right over that metallic-y blue. Cause she's trying to be cute and pop off. She's trying to be cute and pop off here. Okay. Good. Oh, she's cute. Oh, whatever. And now we need a lipstick. We need it. We need a lipstick. Okay. Okay. I lost grip. I lost grip. Eee. And then because I have finals later on, like I'm gonna be sweating because I get nervous, and then I'm gonna be like outside and my hair is gonna be like everywhere, and like whatever the weather, I just need this to stay on all day. So we're gonna go in with some setting spray. They going wild, man. They going wild. So here is the completed look. It could be worse, okay? It could be worse. I mean, the highlights popping, the lipstick is bold, the eyeshadow is shimmering, that nose contour is snatched, and we are ready to go to school and ace our finals. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's ridiculous video. I seriously appreciate it so much. I know this was a little bit weird, but sometimes we just have to get a little goofy and just like do fun stuff. So today was my little fun video for the week. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a big old thumbs up if you thought this was at least a little bit ridiculous. I mean, it's extremely ridiculous. So if you think this video is a little bit ridiculous, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Hello, Joby Squad. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to always keep up with Jordan's uploads. Also, lay hands on that like button and bless the comment section with your presence. While you're here, you might as well watch another